Hey Smart Dropshippers, in this following video you will learn how you can install WordPress using Cpanel in a very easy way. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes to install WordPress CMS and you will learn how to do it yourself. So stay tuned.
In this tutorial, we will learn how to install WordPress using Cpanel the easiest way. Head on to your Cpanel following your domain name.com/cpanel and put in your Cpanel username and password and click login. After login, you will be provided a screen similar like this. We are using FastComet, so it can be a little different, but anyways it will work like the same. Here you have to install the WordPress using script tab. The first menu we can next we will click on install now button from this following screen. Now we have to provide our domain name and related information here. Now it is normal HTTP and we will install HTTPS later. Now we are going to leave it as HTTP and we have found our domain name from you here, and you have to remove this WP directory from here because we want our WordPress installation to be installed in the home directory. Remove it. Now you have to put your website or e-commerce site name here. In this case it's Quartz Fashion, and we have to write the site description also. Don't worry, you can change it later. Just put any relevant name here, name and description here. This will not be a multi-site, so we are leaving this checkbox as it is. Now we have to provide the administrator username and password. By default it will be admin and pass, and it's highly recommended to change the default. You can choose any username for your admin and any password. Please watch the strength bar below the password field that's currently showing the bad. It will help you to secure your password and you can provide a strong password from here. I am hiding this information for security purpose, and also you have to write the admin email name. Now we will not use any plugin or themes from here, but we will straight go to the advanced option where we have to provide the database name and prefix from here. You can always create a new database and associated user from cPanel previously and put the information here, but for the sake of this tutorial we are going to use these options from here. You don't have to manually create the database and username for this installation. You can allow to automatically upgrade WordPress and associated themes and plugins from here. but it's optional. You can always upgrade it later manually. Now we will not select any theme from here. Just click the install. The installation is running and you can see it's completed successfully. From here we can access our website by clicking these links. This is the default WordPress theme. After you have installed the WordPress anywhere, you can see this default theme. We will change it in the upcoming lessons. And if you want to go to the admin dashboard, you have to type in /wp-admin. It will take you to the admin login screen. You have to specify the username and password you have used for the installation. After logging in, you can see the dashboard backend of WordPress from here. You can change everything from within the dashboard. You can customize at any time. We don't need this default widget, so we are hiding this from here. You are free to enable or disable these widgets anytime. Now we will check the default plugins from here. You can keep this Akismet anti-spam plugin, but we don't need the Hello Dolly, so we are removing it from here. You can anytime add or remove any plugin from this screen. Now we are taking you to the themes panel. Here we can see the active theme that's called 2017 and two other WordPress default themes. We don't need this, so we are going to delete them right away. Please note you have to keep minimum one thing activated, and that's it.
Now you have learned how to install WordPress using Cpanel in a very easy way. If you have any question, please comment below this video, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, I will request you to subscribe to see the next videos, and hit a thumbs up and share with your friends if you like this video. Else you can always press the dislike button if you don't like, but remember to give the feedback why you have disliked this video. So stay tuned for the upcoming video.